Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if your Poco X7 Pro is original or fake. Now to do that I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your Poco phone is original. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now just dial *#*# 64663 #*#. Now from here you can test the hardware of your smartphone. For an example, we can test the touch panel of our smartphone, and also we can test the other hardware of our smartphone. Now, if you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers which is given on your smartphone's box, and make sure they are both the same. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. And in the search bar, just search Mi Global. Now just open the Xiaomi Global website. Now from here just scroll down and tap on customer support. From here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now from here, as you can see, there are many ways to connect with Xiaomi's customer service. You can connect with Xiaomi's customer service through the chat support, or you can connect with Xiaomi's customer service through the email support, or you can connect with Xiaomi's customer service through the phone number. Just select the chat support. If the chat support is not available in your country, just select the email support. And if the email support is not available in your country, just select the phone number. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on live chat. From here, just tap on yes. Now just enter your email address. Now just tap on submit. From here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Welcome to Xiaomi's customer service." Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. To do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now just dial *#06#. Now just tap and hold on the IMEI number on the screen and tap on the three dots over here. From here, just tap on copy. Now just go back to the web browser app and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied. Just wait for a few moments for them to check our smartphone's details. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone. Now below the IMEI number, you can find our smartphone's model. Now from here, as you can see, I am currently using the Poco C75 to record this video. Now from here, just make sure that the given smartphone's details are identical with your smartphone. Now from here, just check the warranty start date and the warranty end date. Now from here, also check the activation date of your smartphone. And this is how you can check if your Poco X7 Pro is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.